Hey everyone. This is a drone footage, except that there is no drone at all. This particular image that I found over the internet and using Nano Banana Pro, I actually got an aerial view of this particular image. And then I actually used Flow to convert this image into an actual drone shot. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it in under 5 minutes. So step one is actually finding the right photos. We are going to go to Google Images and search for the subject. I want to do Gateway of India. So I see there are a bunch of pictures that I can choose from. So it's better to avoid shots like this where the image has been taken directly standing in front of the monument. It's important to find a corner view of your subject so that both the front and the sides are visible as well. So in this particular image, I can see both. So I will just save this image and then I'm going to head over to gemini.google.com. Over here, I will select create image in the tool section and then add my image file. Now I'm going to use this first prompt which says turn this photo like it was taken using a drone 16:9 aspect ratio image and I'm going to paste it. So certain times this prompt won't work as well and AI might add new subjects or monuments which are not required. So in that case you will just mention please don't add any new subject apart from the one that is already present. So I'm just going to paste this prompt. Turn this photo like it was taken, yep. And we are going to do Pro, which thinks longer and gives us better results. And we're going to hit submit. It's going to take about 30 seconds to get this created. So Gemini has created the drone shot. And if I see, it has been taken from an elevated point. Now I'm going to download this and head over to Flow. So you will just head over to labs.google fx tools flow. And over here, create a new project. And then you will click on this pill and select frames to video. The next step is adding the frame. We are going to click on the plus icon and then upload. I'm going to just remove this generated by Gemini icon, crop it a bit, and it's good to go. Crop and save. Once it's done, I need to add in my another prompt which says that it needs to generate an aerial view of a drone orbiting left side slowly while still maintaining the focus on the main subject. I'm going to copy this prompt, paste it. Also over here you see the model selected is VEO 3.1 fast. I'm going to change it to VEO 3.1 quality. It gives us much better quality. And hit on send. This usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes and then it will generate a 8-second clip of the drone shot. Once your video has been created, it's better to click on download and then see it on your computer itself because the picture quality will be much better when you download it. Over here, you can see that it's upscaling your video. And here is a drone shot created entirely by AI. And that was the whole workflow for you guys. This is actually perfect for social media, B-rolls, and it's way faster than actually renting a drone and then also hiring a pilot. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.